Our Computex 2019 coverage is made possible thanks to Corsair, Patriot, EK, Titra and Viper Gaming. Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTechnics.com. We're here at Computex 2019 checking out all of the wonderful stuff from Thermaltake. Now you may remember the P3 chassis. Obviously we had the P3 and the P5 open air chassis and they were an extremely good seller for them across a variety of different regions. Now what they're trying to do is take it one step further. As we know, we can get chassis and we can put distro plates into chassis, but why not make a chassis that is a distro plate? That's exactly what they've got here. So as we all know what a distro plate looks like, it's where you can kind of, connect up your custom loop and just kind of, improve the aesthetics as well as, having everything in the right place. Well, that's exactly what they've done here. So it is very loosely based off the P3. You can see that it's a very, very similar size, but it has all of the ports and everything that you'd expect to see on a distro plate. So we've got our inlet from the pump, we've got all of these various outlets. It's not at a final design just yet because it is missing one of the outlets for the GPU down here, but it does include a DDC pump for that kind of maximum pressure being passed through the distro plate itself. And there are a few other things that they want to improve on, such as the cable management. And I said I'd like to see an improvement on the feet because while the distro plate itself does look very premium, I think that the feet need changing. Now they are hoping to release it this year. Obviously that depends on sort of production and any major changes that they may have to do to it. But it does look almost like it's at a final design now. So very, very close away, maybe in the next couple of months. We did try asking them very, very nicely if they had any idea on pricing, but sadly, nothing as of yet. I mean, as you can see at the moment, it does look amazing with the white fluid and everything passing through it. And if we actually go around the other side, you can see all of the addressable RGB lighting. So you can see that we've got a lighting strip down here. There's one at the top as well, and it just kind of shines through very, very nicely. With the white kind of opaque fluid, you can see everything sort of up here. You can see that you've got various ports on here for obviously filling, for draining, and the whole thing looks very, very nice, especially with the TT logo on there as well. Slap some of the new Thermaltake Tough RAM RGB in here, and I'm pretty sure you're going to be onto a winner. Let me know in the comments section below what you think about this. Is it the sort of route that you'd like to go? In all honesty, I think this might even make custom loop water cooling that little bit easier because you're taking out quite a lot of, the major components by just having a massive distro plate in here, connecting up a few other vital components for a custom loop, and away you go. And I think this will look absolutely amazing on anyone's desks. It'd be interesting to see what modders do when they get hold of this. Hopefully we will obviously get one in for review when it is available, hopefully maybe August time. But we will obviously find out a little bit more information, and as we find that out, we will let you guys know. If you enjoyed this, you know exactly what to do, and be sure to check out the rest of our Computex 2019 coverage here in Taipei, Taiwan. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.